Hey Chaney, I was trying to figure out what your issue is with your last name and page number, and so I downloaded your original paper to see if it's a problem on that, and it is. So it's not a problem with Canvas. If you look up here where you have your last name and page number, if I click and open your header, I can see that this right here is the problem. So let me show you how to do it correctly. So I'm just going to delete this, your whole header. And then I'm going to start over. So what you want to do is go up here to, and I'm on a PC, so if you're doing this on a Mac, let me know. I'll have to show you differently. Go to Insert, and don't choose Header. Instead, choose Page Number. And for MLA, you want it at the top of the page, and then it'll give you several choices. And I want it in the right-hand corner. So again, top of the page, and I want this one. So I click on the one that says Plain Number 3. And then immediately just type your last name, oops, sorry, space one time, and then you can just click anywhere on your paper to close it. And then if I scroll down, I can see that it automatically paginated. So hopefully you can do this for next time. Hope this helps.